4 straws. They call them skewers in the lab, but they're 4 straws. We got more. Go ahead and take them out.
More than 4.
It's okay. You have at least 4? Okay, at least 4. You should have 4 small cups. Take those out. And you should also have, in a paper clip, some labels. Got those? Some people. Okay, okay. Okay, procedures. Joshua, start us off with the procedures.
Okay.
Number 1.
In this activity, lamp represents the sun and the styrofoam ball. And the skewer represents the earth.
All right, so how many earths do you have?
4.
4. How many suns? 1. All right, go ahead and read number 1.
Place your lamp in the center of the table and turn it on. The teacher will turn off the flashing light.
All right, go ahead and turn on your lamp. Lay it down in the center of the table and be very careful. Guys, do me a favor, screw it in first and then turn it on. All right, so let's make sure we're paying attention. I want you to lay it down on the table, flat. Okay, Tamia's table's done an excellent job. Joshua's table's done what I asked him to do. Is your light bulb not working? Is it plugged in?
I have sensitive eyes.
Everything's on and plugged in. There we go. And like there she lights. Okay, procedure number 2, Yvette.
Use your seasons, handout diagram as a model to follow in this investigation. Your model should be tilted to the right at all times.
Why should the model be tilted to the right? Earth's tilt is always to the east or to the right. Exactly. So go ahead and we are going to set up your seasons just like on the model. Okay? So somebody take an Earth. The Earth has to be on its what? Its axis. Put the Earth on its axis, which would be the straw. Put the Earth on its axis. Now you're going to have to set it inside the cup, so we represent what? What are we going to represent once we put it inside this cup? Has to be on a what? What do we have to have so we can experience seasons? Tilt. Gotta represent it with a tilt. So go ahead and set up your diagrams. I'm sorry, set up your lab setup just like that. So which one is it? Okay, so make sure you know this is in the middle. Okay, go ahead and start setting up your diagrams. Okay, so just don't be afraid. Get in there. Get your Earth. Put it on its axis. Let's have some tilt. And which direction is our tilt in? To the east. Uh-oh. The Earth has fallen off the tilt. Planet Earth. I'm glad we don't eat more than one plate. All right, so once you get your model set up, everybody has their model set up. Once your model is set up, I'm going to come over and look at it. Why don't you take a walk around your table and examine where the light is hitting on either the northern or the southern hemisphere. You are allowed to get up, walk around your table. Look to see the differences where the light is hitting the northern and the southern hemisphere. Uh-oh. What's wrong with this one? Everybody's facing that way. What's wrong with this guy? He's got to be what? Which way is the east? There we go. Uh-oh, ladies. Which way is the east? So which one is A, which one is B, which one is C, which one is D?
summer. I'll tell you why. 'Cause look, no.
All right, now take out the purple slips of paper and you're going to label the seasons on your model on the table. Seasons.
Yes, it's winter. That's
How do we know this is winter?
that's the northern.
Because the northern hemisphere is, what's the word we're looking for? Tilted, which is toward or away from the sun? Away from the sun. Very good.
We're missing winter.
It's okay.
Winter.
Just use this one. Okay, now look at your diagram.
No.
Summer, after summer, then. All right, also make sure you put in your solstice and your equinox. Which one? That one.
It's winter.
We have it in solstice or equinox. Solstice. Why don't we have equinox? What happens during equinox? High five, Alexia.
Okay, and that's spring. This is fall. Is there any arguments with that?
So if this is this guy. Oh. All right, for 200 bonus points, what is the difference between a solstice and an equinox? One hand. Okay, Joshua, I saw you first.
Equinox and solstice. Equinox means like equal, and solstice means opposite. Well, something.
Close. Yvette, clean it up for him.
Equinox, they have the same amount of day and night.
So equinox, we have the same amount of day and night, and
Solstice, they have either more day or more night.
exactly, in the solstice, we're going to have more day or more night. Darla, when will we have a solstice? Which seasons will we have a solstice?
In summer and
She got one.
winter.
And in winter, awesome. And Kevin, when do we have an equinox?
On spring and fall.
Spring and the fall, very good. All right, so position C is what season in the northern hemisphere? Everybody.
Summer.
Summertime. How do we know it's summertime, Arlindy?
Because the sun is pointing to the
What's pointing? What not pointing? What's the word we're looking for? Our magic word? Tilt. So the
sun is the earth,
what part of the earth? The northern hemisphere is
tilted toward the sun.
very good. The northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun. After summer, in D we have what season?
Fall.
Fall. And then in A we have winter, and in B spring. Awesome. So what I need you to do right now is to turn off those light bulbs. Turn them off. Turn them off. Be very careful not to touch them. Take all your supplies and put them back inside of the bag.